What's up people, Varun here. So today we have with us Acer Predator Helios 300 gaming laptop. So this box just arrived today afternoon from Flipkart. This is a pre-standard box, all black color with Acer and Predator branding. So yeah, let's not waste any time and open this bad boy. Alright, so as usual the seal is already broken. Thank you Flipkart. So let's open this up. A box in a box. Let me just quickly slide it out. It must say nice packaging by Acer. Let's keep this aside. So there's a pamphlet inside. I think this is your normal paperwork and warranty card. Yep, this is a setup guide. And this is your international warranty card. That's it. That's all paperwork you get from Acer. Let's keep this aside. This. Let's check the seal if it's open or not. Looks okay to me. Okay, so let's open this box now. There it is, the laptop. Let me just pull this out. Keep this aside. Really nice box. Little velvety inside. I think that's for safety. Let's keep this aside here. We also get this, the charger, a normal 3-pin charger inside the box. That's it. Let's keep this aside. Let's bring this here and this is it. Predator in all its glory. Let's clean it off. Alright, so here it is. It has a good weight to it. So these are the ports. This is the charging port. This is 2 USB-A port. This is headphone jack. On the left hand side, this is the Kensington lock. This is your Ethernet LAN port. This is USB-C. This is HDMI. This is USB 3, I think. And this is your micro SD card reader. On the back, I don't think there's anything. Just a normal. I must say the laptop looks really nice. I mean, for 60,000, I think this is amazing, and you're getting GTX 1050 Ti with this. So a really impressive job by Acer and Flipkart. On this inside you get this keyboard protective sleeve. Let's put this aside. Some more shitty paperwork, and this is it. This is your Acer Predator laptop. gaming card. It can play all AAA titles on medium to high settings easily. Third, display. Excellent considering the price. Can play 4K video straight out of YouTube without any stutter. Build quality. Aluminium metal finish on the top. Inside you get soft touch plastic which feels premium to look at. I/O selection. It has two USB 2 ports, one USB 3 port. It also has a USB Type-C, but it is missing Thunderbolt support. It also has your normal HDMI LAN, micro SD card reader and a headphone jack. Alright, so closing thoughts. I think it's the best laptop at 60 to 65k range. You can get it even cheaper during Flipkart sale. Acer has a winner on its hand and it shows on the product page of Flipkart where it got 4.6 out of 5 stars. I'm really happy with its performance, and if it can last me about 1.5 to 2 years, I'll be a happy camper. So yeah, if you want to buy this laptop, the links are all down below. And this is it for now. See you in the next one. Bye bye.